Groomies getting stuff. Sausage. Here we are. This is the sausage I need. We just gotta keep it right there. Now we need corn. We are. That'll be in the freezer section. The corn we want. Hello. You fell. Are you okay?
I really want chocolate. No, I don't need.
You want chalky milk? Go get some chalky milk.
No, I don't need chalky milk. It was that influence.
It's just chalky milk.
I know, but I don't need it. And if I really want it, I can get it from the bean. Okay.
I don't know if this is enough. I didn't look for how much we needed.
For the cake? Do I still have
Yeah,
it filled up? Oh, I sent it to you.
Yeah.
Easily make fluffy vanilla cake. But 1 cup.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're fine. That's a whole pint. You can get chocolate sauce and then use the rest to make chocolate milk. What's in your head? I'm confused.
It's for waitress. It's about a waitress. It's a musical.
A musical. Theater major over here. Okay, so for this shrimp boil, we need
500 grams of butter.
which is like 2.5 cups.
I was about to say, I thought you said we had enough.
We have enough for the cake and the beignets, but not enough for this shrimp boil. High cholesterol, I think so.
They sell little honey butter?
You didn't know that?
How did I not know that?
Yeah, they sell honey butter. All my non-Texas peeps, Whataburger, honey butter. Are you gonna get some?
I am, in fact, sick plus more.
Yeah.
So what's the cheapest?
Oh no. They're all like $5.
4.48, 5.48.
Why is it so dramatic to get butter? I can't.
Hannah found her last day of work today, and she made me a coffee. It's a peppermint coffee. It used to have whipped cream with peppermint stuff at the top, but I ate all the whipped cream.
Thanks for telling the class.
You're welcome. I just feel like everybody needed to.
Honestly, getting the butter was the hardest thing ever.
I feel like we should listen to Waitress of Which.
Alright. We just went in a circle.
I'm just curious if you would like it. Because right now, the only musical that I really know that you like is Hamilton.
Well, of course, who doesn't like Hamilton?
Yeah, exactly. But like you or do you just like it?
I don't know.
Which fair enough.
I also like The Greatest Showman. Well, Hamilton's really the only like Broadway thing that I've seen. I don't know. And that's because it's on Disney Plus. Everything else you have to like get bootlegged, right? Yeah. so yeah. Everybody knows. Just because it says Louisiana, it's accurate. It's freaking the best thing
that
ever.
says certified Cajun.
Certified Cajun. They must be.
I don't know if I want to get alligator from Apple.
Alligator. Looked octopus. No. For $14.
That's what I wanted.
And it's like ew. Walmart octopus. $14. Gross. So if it says Louisiana, it's clearly legit. Even though it's from Walmart. In West Texas. I would trust seafood from Walmart if I was in like Galveston. Well, maybe not. Galveston is radioactive, so I don't know. Would you trust seafood from Walmart if it's Walmart in Galveston?
It depends.
You just gotta go to Alaska,
I trust
bro.
it
I don't
more
know.
from HEB.
HEB's the way.
Seafood just in Houston, Galveston in general tends to be pretty fresh.
Ugh. Okay, let's get the pan. That's all we need left. Yeah. Who knows if the cake will even be good? Over here. Right over here. They're riding horses. They're like, they like just turned around too.
Not us being creepy and
For
filming
real.
it. They're so pretty.
Like, what's going on? Why are they here?
Well,
What's happening?
they're police officers. Maybe they're training.
Why would they be training on a horse?
Well, because some police officers drive horses, like in parades and stuff.
But those are for parades. We're not in a Western. What's going on?
They do that in Houston a lot.
Oh. I guess there's not one place in Texas where it's like, why wouldn't y'all do that? But I feel like it's more common in a place like Houston. Ugh.
I would think it would be less common in a place like Houston.
I don't know. I feel like North Texas, because I know nothing about North Texas.
You just think they have horses?
Yeah. I feel like what people that aren't from Texas think Texas is like would be North Texas.
That's fair.
Or like
That's very fair.
East Texas.
I feel like, isn't Amarillo North Texas?
Yeah.
And that's like...
Should have filmed your face. But yeah, I don't know. They just disappeared. They evaporated out of thin air. Where are they? Maybe they're at Dollar Tree.
They said we know where the deals are at.
Like, why would they just be prancing around Walmart, the front of Walmart? I'm confused.
I feel like the only reason would be to train them for like sensory issues and such. Sir,
Hello?
what you doing?
One thing about West Texas is they don't know how to drive.
True
One
that.
thing.
True that.
Do you assume North Texas or East Texas is more Western-y? Because I know nothing about either or. So
I feel like, and I have no reasoning or backing for this, I feel like they're different types of Western, you know, because one is closer to Oklahoma,
Okay.
and then one is closer to Colorado. And I feel like they're both, like, no.
Get a map.
Wait, what do you mean? Oh, I was thinking West Texas.
I was like,
That's embarrassing.
I was
Okay,
like,
so, okay.
I'm pretty
so
sure Oklahoma's
one's-
here, and then Colorado's like right over here, and then Texas is like
I was
down.
like, West Texas, right? Even then, okay. Never mind. Ignore that. Cut that out.
Cut the cameras.
Okay. So, I got north right. That's Oklahoma. And then never eat soggy watermelon. So, it's east. It's Louisiana.
Okay.
I feel like North Texas.
Yeah, more yeehaw.
Yeah.
And then East might be more like redneck.
Yeah.
I don't know. If you are from North or East Texas, tell me what the culture is.
The culture.
The culture. How would you even describe West Texas culture, honestly? Because I'm from Odessa, so all I can think of is like oil field. But there's not really oil field here.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. West Texas is just dusty.
Trying to look up redneck map Texas.
If that pops up, if someone did an article and did like a radar map of Texas and said which side is the most redneck, I will.
Oh, here we go. The top 10 most redneck towns in Texas. That kind of works,
Yeah.
right? Skim through all the. Where is your numbering system? What is going on?
It's probably within the freaking essay of how they went about the trajectory of this.
Number 1, Vidor.
Who, where, when,
The
why?
whole town of Vidor could fit inside the Freeman Coliseum in San Antonio. I don't even know.
San Antonio. It's around.
It comes in 9th for the most bars and gun stores. And it ranks 2nd for easy access to dollar stores and 4th for Walmarts. Is that their...
Is that the threshold? Is that, oh, you're a redneck because you can go to Walmart?
And you know what it is they say about rednecks. They think NASDAQ? Midway between Houston and Austin. Okay. Hillsboro. Tractor Supply store right across from Walmart. I feel like their ranking is just not it.
The best way we can know is if you in the comments tell us if you're from east or north or south or west. Tell us where you are from in Texas if you're from Texas. And tell us the tea. Whatever it is you want to tell us. I don't know. Right? Okay, we're home, so we're gonna go. There's
She's
Momo.
like those sickly little English children. Just waiting in the window.
Aw, poor child. She's been waiting for us this whole time to just come home. Oh, yeah. You like our singing, Momo? Don't go to the window. I think Fred's there. Maybe Fred left. Fred, are you here to cause a ruckus? No, he left. Oh, no, he's right there. There he is.
Gosh.
This is the outside cat that no one has ever claimed, but they know. And we all gave him different names. We call him Fred. And here he is. Momo kind of hates him. So we gotta hope she's oblivious to this. She smells it.
Oh no.
She senses it.
Oh no.
It has begun.
I feel like I can't leave now.
You can't. He's right there. You're stuck here. Because he will run in here. Because people just invite him into the apartments.
And there will be a fight if that happens.
Yeah. You're not allowed to leave. Guess you gotta work on your paper.
What if we put Momo in the Santa outfit? Do you think that would help?
Maybe. I'm surprised
She's not gone crazy yet.
she's like, I sense something.
Oh, good. Good job, Momo.
It's because she hasn't seen him yet.
Good baby. There's nothing wrong, right?
Nothing at
Oh
all.
dear. There she goes.
Oh. Is he still there? Yeah. He's still there.
Yes.
I don't think she minds when he's like at our rug. She minds when he like gets up on our window and stuff.
Up in her personal space. Oh,
Oh.
oh, there she goes. Momo.
Because the only time she's ever not yelled at him was that one time it was cold and he just sat there on the rug and it was so sad. And she would just like watch him, but she wouldn't yell.
Oh. It's okay. It's okay. Hey. Leave him alone. He's just chilling.
Why does he pick our apartment to do this?
I think he likes to antagonize.
He's an antagonist.
It's okay, child. It's okay, I promise. We're not gonna let him in.
Yeah. It's
He's not
okay.
welcome in this household.
Mm-mm.
She's so distressed.
Yeah. It's gonna be okay. He's out there minding his business. Well, kind of trying to get in yours, but it won't focus on him. Oh, there we go. You can barely see him. There's his face. There we go. Half of it. It looks like he's going to bed.
He said hunker down.
He loves to take a nap on our welcome mat. For real. For real. So the vlogs met Cleo, and now they've met Fred. We just need to find Toothy. We haven't seen Toothy at all this semester.
Hopefully Toothy got adopted or something.
Maybe. Open the door. Let me at him.
Let me at him. Let me at him.
He's just trying to take a nap, Momo.
He's literally just chilling.
Yeah.
He's just straight chilling.
So you need to do the same.
Can you read through my essay?
Yeah.
Keep in mind, I finished this at like 3:30 in the morning.
So there's probably a lot of typos. is what you're
Probably
saying.
so.
Okay.
I don't know what you will find in here. I don't know half of what I wrote.
You are not responsible for
I'm
what I'm
not
about to read.
responsible for my own actions.
I'll update you if Momo starts tussling.